Here's how you get your first clients as a lash extension artist, as a brow tech or a nail tech. Do a shout out on Facebook groups. Go into community Facebook groups in your area from your local town and do a shout out looking for models. Advertise with how much you're going to be charging. It's obviously going to be less than what the salons are going to be charging. Do a call out there. Then you'll get loads of messages. You'll get referrals from probably mums, aunties, sisters that are recommending it to their mums, aunties and sisters. And then you need to personally reply to every single one of those messages with a DM telling those people that you're available, where you are, how much you're going to charge, all of that kind of information, and keep that information from how you contacted them and send them a message every so often asking them if they want to be a lash model or a brow model or a nail model, and do it at least once a month. Do a model call, get the people in. Once you have them in, you have to treat them like the gold that they are in order to keep them, and then you can start increasing the price up every few weeks. So not every time you do their lashes, so maybe every fourth time you do their lashes or every fourth time that you do their brow, increase it by €5 until you get to the price that you want to be at as an experienced brow tech, lash tech or nail tech. If you're looking for more ways to get customers into your beauty business, reach out to me. I'm Sarah Naylor and I'm going to help you nail it in your beauty business.